Laura from the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow. That's Thursday the 24th of October. So we'll start off by looking at tomorrow's weather map. Here we have a high pressure system in the Bight bringing settled and clear conditions to large parts of southern and central Australia, while out in the east, a cool change and trough is bringing isolated showers and storms with the potential for some severe through there. And down in the southeast, another cold front pushing across the area, bringing showery conditions, small hail and snow to low levels. So we'll zoom in for Queensland. Tomorrow's going to be another hot day with daytime temperatures between 2 to 8 degrees above the October average, and isolated showers and storms extending from the north all the way through central parts into the southeast. Now there is the potential for severe thunderstorms about the Wide Bay Burnett extending into the central highlands, and they may bring large hail and damaging wind gusts. So if you do live within those areas, keep an eye on the latest warnings. For Brisbane, there may be some fog patches around in the morning and then the risk of an afternoon shower or storm, a top of 32 degrees. Down in New South Wales, a cool change is expected to push northwards across the state throughout the day, with isolated showers and storms in the east, mainly about coastal areas and the adjacent ranges, and also about the northern slopes and plains. Now there is the potential for severe thunderstorms tomorrow, mainly about north of Sydney and through these inland areas, bringing large hail and damaging wind gusts. For the Sydney area, however, showers most likely during the afternoon and evening, and even a risk of an afternoon thunderstorm, a top of 23 degrees. Down in Canberra, a partly cloudy day with just the chance of a shower, a top of 21. Down in Victoria, we've got showers on and south of the ranges that will start to increase in frequency thanks to this cold front that pushes in later during the day. And there's even a risk of small hail about southern parts and snow about alpine areas developing during the evening. For Melbourne, a shower or two, a top of 17 degrees. Down in Tassie, we've got showers mainly out in the west, and then they'll start to increase in frequency and intensity as this cold front sweeps across. Now small hail is possible right across the state, and as well the snow levels are expected to drop down to low levels, so down to around 400 metres. For Hobart, showers increasing during the afternoon and evening, a top of just 16 degrees. For South Australia, just some isolated light showers that are possible about southern parts, clearing by the afternoon. For Adelaide, there's a risk of a morning shower, otherwise a partly cloudy day, a top of 20. As we move out west, however, warm to hot with really clear and sunny conditions. We're forecasting a top of 29 degrees for Perth, with just some isolated showers and storms about the inland Pilbara and Gascoyne. Shifting the focus to the tropics, isolated showers and storms, most likely during the afternoon and evening, and confined mainly to the coastal fringe and about the Cape York Peninsula. For Darwin, we're forecasting a mostly sunny day, a top of 35 degrees. So if you're wanting to know more about what's going on with your local weather, you can head to the Bureau's website, the app or social media. Otherwise, we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.